We love to sow perennials from seeds, and these ones we have sown just a few weeks ago in the greenhouse, and now it's time to repot them so they get a bit more space. And I'll show you how you know when to repot. And this is the easiest way is that you can see it has a second set of leaves. So it has the lower ones here. This is Rosenskovsmærke, really lovely perennial that's drought tolerant and loves to grow near the border, and it has the second set of leaves here. And now I'm going to show you how I repot it into a bigger pot. So I have you can use whatever tool you have. I have this little popsicle stick. So I will just slowly go under the root here, have my hands and use the stick, and then try not to disturb the roots too much. Try and gently, if I get two up, I'll just divide them. I got two here. I'll gently take the other one off here. It's okay if there's two plants in one with this kind of plant, but look at the roots here, really strong. They were grown in really seed sowing soil, so now they really need fertilized. This is Spawnum mixture. It's like a plant sack we buy. Easy to get access to. You can use your little finger or just again this little stick here, and then gently add it down to here. If it's too long, the stem, you can gently give it a little squeeze and then add some dirt around here. And then I add some water. There we go. Not try to get water around the plant, not on top. And then we will add some, like here, we will add some name tags, you know what kind of plant it is. And it is a middle station, so later on it's going to come out in the garden. It's not going to stay here in these pots forever. So once it's a little bit bigger, they can get placed out in the garden, and then they'll be ready for flowering next year. So this is really a way for all the perennials we sow from seeds. And also this Manstro here also has a second set of leaves here, as you can see. So these are also ready to be repotted. And I'll just show you again with this, like I did with the Rosenskovsmærke. I'll add some of my fertilized soil here. And notice if it's getting, dirt can get too dry, then you just simply add a little bit of water, mix it in, and then it's easier to work with. So this is really nice and wet for this kind of seedling, really great. I'll put these aside. And then I'll again use my little stick here and go down with my fingers and really use that stick here to get it up. And then again, I have two. So you can gently take one aside here. There we go. And the roots are still sticking. I'll try again. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, it had long roots, this one. There we go. See the roots here on this one? It doesn't look like much, but this Manstro is really lovely. It has blue, spiky, looks like thorns, like a nettle almost. So these are really gonna grow really nicely. Again, add some water, pinch around the stem there, and we're gonna add them back into our unheated greenhouse where they will be over winter, and then they are gonna be really strong and healthy for next year. You can also place them if you have a shed in the window or somewhere sheltered off hard wind and frost, and then they will really be ready and have a great blooming time for next year and establish all these great roots.